Life is a journey of choices. Every day we stand at a crossroads. One path is easy, the other path is hard. The easy path looks tempting. It promises comfort and pleasure. But this path leads to a hard life. The hard path is challenging. It demands effort and sacrifice, but this path leads to an easy life. Which path will you choose? The easy choice is seductive. It whispers promises of instant gratification. Hitting the snooze button instead of waking up for a run, choosing fast food over a home-cooked meal, scrolling through social media instead of pursuing a passion project. These choices seem harmless in the moment. They offer a temporary escape from discomfort. But over time, these small choices accumulate. They lead us down a path of stagnation and regret. The price of comfort is high. When we consistently choose the easy path, we pay with our potential. Our health deteriorates. Our relationships suffer. Our dreams remain unfulfilled. We become trapped in a cycle of mediocrity and dissatisfaction. The easy choice might feel good in the present, but it leaves us feeling empty and unfulfilled in the long run. It robs us of the opportunity to create a life we truly love. History is filled with stories of individuals who chose the hard path and reaped extraordinary rewards. Consider athletes who endure grueling training regimens to achieve Olympic glory. Think of entrepreneurs who risk everything to build successful businesses. These individuals embraced challenges, pushed their limits, and ultimately created lives of meaning and purpose. Their stories remind us that true fulfillment lies beyond our comfort zones. We delve into the essence of constructing a life that feels effortless and rewarding, one deliberate step at a time. Choosing the hard path doesn't mean life will be easy. It signifies a commitment to growth and resilience. When we stand at the crossroads of life, the easy path may seem tempting, but it often leads to stagnation. The challenging path, though daunting, is where true transformation happens. It means choosing to face challenges head-on, knowing that each obstacle overcome brings us closer to a life of greater ease and fulfillment. Every steep hill we climb, every tough task we tackle, and every grueling training session we endure builds our strength and character. These experiences shape us into more capable and resilient individuals. It's about making difficult decisions today that will create a brighter tomorrow. The late nights spent studying, the moments of doubt and uncertainty, and the sacrifices made in the present are investments in our future. Each decision, no matter how small, contributes to the foundation of a life well lived. Like a sculptor chiseling away at a block of stone, we must be willing to chip away at our bad habits and embrace discomfort to reveal our masterpiece. The process is painstaking and requires patience, but with each strike of the chisel, we get closer to uncovering our true potential. It's about refining ourselves, one small action at a time. With each hard choice, we lay a brick on the path toward an easier, more fulfilling life. Imagine each decision as a brick in the wall of your future. The more thoughtful and deliberate your choices, the stronger and more resilient your life's structure becomes. Over time, these bricks form a solid foundation that supports a life of ease and contentment. Reflecting on our journey, we see that the effort and perseverance were worth it. The moments of peace and satisfaction we experience are the results of the hard work we've put in. By embracing the challenges and making conscious choices, we create a life that not only looks beautiful from the outside but feels fulfilling from within. Ultimately, building a life of ease is about creating a balance between effort and enjoyment. It's about celebrating the small victories and cherishing the moments of joy with loved ones. It's about achieving our goals and sharing our successes with those who matter most. This balanced approach ensures that our journey is not just about the destination, but also about enjoying the ride. As we continue to lay each brick, we move closer to the summit of our aspirations. The view from the top is breathtaking, and the journey to get there is what makes it all worthwhile. So let's keep building, one brick at a time, towards a life of ease, fulfillment, and endless possibilities. We delve into the profound impact of our choices and the importance of patience and perseverance. The benefits of hard choices are not always immediately apparent. Often we find ourselves questioning whether the effort we put in today will ever pay off. Sometimes, the rewards are delayed. It can be challenging to stay motivated when the fruits of our labor seem distant and uncertain. But like a seed planted in fertile ground, the effort we invest today will eventually blossom into something beautiful. Just as a gardener tends to their plants with care and patience, we must nurture our goals and dreams. The discipline of regular exercise leads to better health and vitality in the long run. Each step we take, each drop of sweat contributes to a stronger, healthier body. The dedication to mastering a skill opens doors to new opportunities and a sense of accomplishment. Whether it's playing an instrument, painting, or any other craft, the hours of practice and perseverance pay off in ways we might not immediately see. By choosing the hard path, we invest in our future selves. The challenges we face today build resilience and character, preparing us for greater achievements tomorrow. The late nights spent studying, the early mornings dedicated to training, all contribute to a future where our efforts are rewarded. The rewards may come in the form of academic success, professional achievements, or personal fulfillment. Each milestone reached is a testament to the hard work and dedication invested over time. As we reflect on our journey, we realize that the true reward lies not just in the end result, but in the growth and transformation we experience along the way. The journey itself, with all its trials and triumphs, shapes us into who we are meant to be. So embrace the hard choices, stay patient, and keep nurturing your dreams. The future rewards are worth the wait, and the journey will be a testament to your strength and perseverance. Embracing discomfort, unleashing potential. Discomfort is not something to be feared but embraced. It is a sign of growth. When we step outside our comfort zones, we tap into hidden reserves of strength and resilience. We discover capabilities we never knew we possessed. Like a muscle that grows stronger with use, our capacity for handling challenges expands with each difficult decision we make. Embrace discomfort as an opportunity for growth and transformation. Fear is an emotion that has been with humanity since the dawn of time. It has the power to paralyze us, to make us question our every move, and to keep us from reaching our true potential. Fear often disguises itself as a reason to choose the easy path. It tells us that the unknown is dangerous, that stepping out of our comfort zone will lead to failure or pain. It convinces us that the safe route is the best route, even if it means sacrificing our dreams and aspirations. It whispers doubts, magnifies risks, and tempts us to stay within the familiar confines of our comfort zones. Fear can make the smallest challenges seem insurmountable, and the slightest risks appear catastrophic. It feeds on our insecurities and thrives in the shadows of our minds. But fear is a paper tiger. It looks fierce and intimidating, but it is ultimately fragile and powerless. When we muster the courage to face it, we often find that it crumbles under the weight of our determination. Its power lies in our belief in it. The more we believe in the fear, the stronger it becomes. But when we challenge it, when we question its validity, we begin to see it for what it truly is: an illusion. When we confront our fears head-on, we realize they are often far less intimidating than we imagine. The act of facing our fears can be transformative, revealing strengths and capabilities we never knew we had. Each step we take towards overcoming fear is a step towards personal growth and self-discovery. Courage is not the absence of fear, but the triumph over it. It is the ability to move forward despite the fear, to take risks and embrace the unknown. True courage is about acknowledging our fears, understanding them, and then choosing to act in spite of them. It is about realizing that the path to ease is not the one without obstacles, but the one where we learn to navigate and overcome them. The power of a single hard choice. The journey of 1,000 miles begins with a single step. Similarly, the path to an easier life starts with a single hard choice. Choose to wake up early and exercise instead of hitting the snooze button. Choose to have that difficult conversation instead of letting resentment fester. Choose to pursue your passion instead of letting fear hold you back. One small choice can set in motion a ripple effect that transforms your entire life. Section 10. Your journey toward an easier life starts today. The power to choose your path lies within you. You can choose the easy path of instant gratification and face a life of hardship and regret. Or you can choose the hard path of discipline and sacrifice and create a life of ease, fulfillment, and meaning. The choice is yours. Embrace the challenges, make the hard choices, and start building your easier life today. Remember, the greatest rewards lie beyond your comfort zone. Thank you for taking the time to join me on this exploration of choices and their impact on our lives. If you found these insights valuable and want to continue your journey of personal growth, I invite you to subscribe for more content. Together, let's embrace the power of hard choices and create lives of purpose, meaning, and lasting ease.